Alright guys, welcome back. Our video starts right here. We are currently on the Spiritual Hill in Manchester, Jamaica. Listen, it's called the Spiritual Hill. Now behind me is a lady selling her coconuts, her watermelons, her pineapples and her fruits. So we just stopped to show you what's happening and we're gonna buy a little thing from her. You know what I mean? So look at this beautiful watermelon here. This is homegrown watermelon. You understand? Homegrown watermelon. So she's gonna bust it up for us and then show us what's happening. Mommy, bust a jelly for you know.
Bust the next one then, mommy.
Bust a jelly, bust a jelly.
Bust a jelly there for you. Show them so you can bust jelly. Show the world. People. Anytime you want a jelly, you drive on the Spiritual Hill, Manchester End. You see
Yeah.
it? Come check that lady here. I share the first stall after you come around the corner.
First stall.
First stall. Right on your right hand side.
Strong black woman.
Yeah. Tell her no, mommy. See the lady a chop it. Cheese!
Fully bad.
I tell you. Jamaica nice people.
Guys, see it here? See my jelly here? World. Take some, take some, take some. Wicked. Sweet.
Bad.
So guys, we made a stop here. We're going to show you the rest of the journey down on the Spiritual Hill, and then when we go to our location we're going to cook, we're going to show you what's happening. That's going to be epic. So if you don't want to miss any of this episode, I suggest that you watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Tyrone and Alkali is on the journey with me. Warlord is here and the other masses, and big up, I want you to big up this lady. Big up this lady. Big up this lady for me.
What's your name?
Yeah.
Miss Shernette.
Big up
yourself.
Big up me.
For the camera. Yeah.
Yeah guys, so stay tuned. This is how the video starts. It's gonna be epic. Yeah. One love. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you guys on the program again. You saw me stop at Spiritual Hill. Now I'm currently at Alligator Pond, which is located in South Manchester, on the border where St. Elizabeth is located. So where we at now guys, behind me, that's the fishing village. So we're going to go over to the fishing village and show you what is there. Now the fishing industry in Jamaica is one of those main providers in the agricultural industry, and we love to support our local fishermen. You understand? The beauty of the island, the whole, the ambience of you coming and ordering your fish fresh from the ocean. Understand? So this is what we want to promote guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to subscribe, please remember to like the video, and please remember to comment. So we're going to go over to the fish village and we're going to take a look at what they are selling, all the fish that they have, and support them. One love from Jamaica. Follow me. Alright guys, so we're currently at the fishing village in Alligator Pond. So we're gonna go over to we're at the fish market. So look at what is happening here guys. This is the beauty, fresh from the sea. Different types of fish. I mean, they're so beautiful. So this is what is happening at this location at Alligator Pond in South Manchester. So Alka and I are going to purchase a couple of these fish. We want some big one that we know that, yo, no boy not gonna kill us. So when you come to Jamaica, you can visit this fishing village. It's at South Manchester. Nearly drop. Now, you can't see that. But guys, this is it. This is it. This is just what Jamaica is now, and support local fishermen. Support them. There's a restaurant here up by the top. Look over here, there's a restaurant, bar and grill. You can come and chill out. So yeah, this is just it. So we're gonna purchase our fish and then we're gonna go back out and then cook. Stay tuned. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. What's the name of that fish? That blue pretty one. Look at that. Yellow tail. Yeah, them two they look nice. Yeah, we know what there's a big one. Can't eat so much fish. Yeah, take one more. Guys, look at that. Beautiful. Guys, so this is 6 pounds of fish. Man, $6,300 for this. Look at this. Fish for days, y'all. Fish for days. Look at this big one. 7 pounds. 7 pounds, guys. So Alka is going to pay her. You know? Yeah, man. So this is it. This is it. Alright, so guys, we're currently going back to the cooking place. Where is it? I'm going fire? I'm going fire. Down so we are down. So take a look, guys. We are down there. Yeah. We're gonna make back the fire. Yeah, so this is what is this? Look at Ochi, aka Alligator pan. So big up on yourself, meet you back at the fire. Boom.
Yeah, people, see? Love them. Yo, people, what I do with that? Look at worship on the beach right now. Seeing we're gonna roast some fish, you see me? So I do the old-fashioned Jamaican way, you see me? So right now I have my file paper, I have my fish over there, so I don't scale up my fish, I have my butter, and I have my pepper, I have my onion and my pepper. It's a pepper, yeah, people. It's a black, it's hot. I'm gonna show you how to work. You see it? Zoom forward. Boom. So right now, people, I'm gonna cut up the fish, yeah? And next time I look a hole in the fish, see it? Then I'm gonna put some seasoning on. I grease this already with basically some butter, right? So I'm gonna have some seasoning, some black pepper and some salt. So watch out now. Let's just put it in them place. Yeah. Yeah. Then we see my knife. Take up. You don't want to buy some okra, but we lose the market. We think so we can buy it then, so I'm going to put the butter in. So I want a pepper. See pepper here? Want some water? Pepper here hot enough. So watch where we're going for the pepper here. Put them in there, so. Alright. I'll put them in there, so. That's good. So maybe just wrap them up now. So I'm not stick. Wrap them up nice and neatly, you see me? And close them. Frozen real tight, people. See? So I'm going to do all of them the same way. Alright? Alright, soon forward. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done with the fish right now. We're putting the foil paper and everything like that ready. So we're gonna put on the grill in a few minutes. So we got the fish right here, and the onion and the pepper and the butter is in here with the fish and everything like that. So we on the beach right now. Liming, boy, I tell you, we liming. Look on the beautiful beach over there, so boy. I tell you, if you come to Jamaica, let Alkali buy it, boom, boom, cook some food, no? And roast some fish on the beach. So I'm gonna roast some fish and then we're gonna go swimming, okay? Boom! 1, 2, Africa, Africa, Africa. What me say? Yeah. I hate that, people. You hear that now? So I gotta just roast them nice, and wow. I got maca out there, you know. So I gotta roast them, people. Watch how I go on. You see me?
Oh man, you know, too high, man.
What is that whole of fish, No. Check my fish. See? The softness of the fish. I'm looking for the softness of the fish, see? So I'm just testing it, making sure that it's alright, you know?
Yes, sir.
And then we're there. I don't want to. It's a guana, people. You see me roll the grill? Yes, it's a run.
Hot.
Hot of fire.
See him have jug on your drink, people.
Yeah, I'm going to strengthen up.
You must strengthen up. Yes, a Jagan better give you a sponsor. Jagan.
So, that's what I'm going right now. See it?
So we soon finish.
Yeah, man. Give me the next
guys?
7 more minutes and we're done, yeah?
Latin, smell the seasoning, Yeah,
holy
body!
The butter, the ingredients I run out.
See there, guys? Nice, beautiful.
See there, people?
5 more minutes and we're good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, word of the day, this is the time for it. So it comes from Psalms 121. David says, I will look to the hill from whence cometh my help. Because what? My help cometh from the Lord, the one who made heaven and earth. So no matter what you're going through, stay motivated, you know. When you listen, those who are watching this video live and those who want to watch it after any amount of time, come back to it. Look to God for your help. Know the Lord thy God from your youth, when you're old and depart from it. The Most High, we give praise to the Most High God, the God, Lord God of Israel. You understand? So this is my word of encouragement to you guys today. Wonder from Jamaica. This is Tyrone and we're out.
In my own juice, you see me?
Look at that.
You see me?
Roast fish.
So you see this done roast already, right?
Yeah, guys.
Set that on fire and put it away so. Yeah, right now this was some fish, you see me? I put it back in the fire table. See the people? I talk about everything good in the man. Everything good. We on the beach right here. We liming now, boy. We liming now. We have some special guests all the way from Holland, you know. So we here, we just deal with the fish on the beach. So we're gonna share up the fish right now. And ladies and gentlemen, this will only take what? Less than 10 minutes. You see me? We just deal with it right on the beach. See you here? Boom. Are you that? Alright. Fire paper? Fire paper. Pass it. Thank you very much, sir.
Look at that guy. Talk to them now, Alligator.
Yo, hear me now. We are gonna just deal with the fish now. Look how pretty, people. Look how pretty. Tell me if it's not pretty. Tell me. Give me a comment and give me a like, you know. You see me? Have to give me a like for this, you know, right on the beach. You see me? A regular seasoning, you know, pepper, black pepper, salt, onion and pepper. Really, really hot pepper. So right now we just deal with it properly, yes sir. Right on the beach. You see me? Same time when you're ready for come to Jamaica, just link me up, you see me? The number is there. Alright.
Do it, my boss.
Yo.
Whoosh.
My guest?
Whoosh.
Let's serve my guest first. We order like some festival from the brother around there, so. You hear me? How I deal with it. My brother.
Wagwan people, real Jamaican food.
See your fork here.
Look how fresh it is.
Yeah. Is the first you're trying this?
No man, but
Not
it's
the first.
best one I'm gonna try.
The best one.
The best one.
Let us see what go on. Go in it, make me see what go on. Go in it and taste it up. This fish. Fish. Holy bad.
Hot.
Hot.
Hot and nice.
Yeah. So this is Warlord. Talk to me. How it tastes?
What's your fork?
Alright. How it tastes, Warlord?
So, off some static. Straight to the roof.
Yeah.
Divine.
Well, open up my parrot fish you gave me now. Open up my parrot fish now.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
guys, and
Big up
Warlord
yourself.
gonna wash it down with some beer.
Yes.
Yeah?
Lemon.
Yeah, guys. Jamaican style.
Yes, man.
100.
Alright. Cool. Bless.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you have been waiting for me to go in this fish. So come and take a look. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is the Jamaican roast fish with festival. Festival is made from flour, cornmeal, sugar, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of lasco, if you want to add lasco to it. So, first thing I'm going to try is Alka famous roast fish. Guys, the aroma. Beautiful, beautiful. So look at this, guys. Look at the flesh of the fish. Wow. Wow. This is called a parrot fish, right? So this is the parrot fish, guys. So look at this. Beautiful. Look at, I mean, this took like 10 minutes. So 15 minutes to fully come to fruition. Alka, know what you're doing, boy. People, bad. If you're worrying about if I pray already, don't pray. Pray a long time, people. You know? Bless the food already, so don't worry about that. I always pray before I eat. And I gave the word of the day. So Alka gonna go in his, let you know it tastes. So let me give them some more again. Take that, take that, take that. That's yours. Big up. Alka, taste up the food. The people them know what I go on. Soon come.
So my fish are some. I want some. Africa may I share with you. You don't know I love Africa already, you see me? So I'm going at it right now. See this some? People, it's bad. Fully bad, not lie, yeah? You want to share with me? Come. Get some. This is my real Jamaican fish, you see me? Right off some. Right off my boat. You see it? Not lie, people. Good.
Really good.
Now dragon starts wash it down, you know.
Yeah. Fisherman John. Fish.
Yeah, people, nice. Now go nice. No. Now share some with Germany. USA? Canada? Alright. UK? Holland there, I represent Holland now.
Holland.
Yeah.
Nederland.
Netherlands.
Nederland.
Guys, so we want to say a big thank you for watching. So me there with Warlord, the guy from Holland, yeah.
Nederland. Yes.
Yeah.
Me belly full.
Your belly full.
With fish.
Yes, fish.
Yes, man.
So one love from Jamaica again, guys.
Thanks
See
for
you
looking.
in the next video. Subscribe,
Yeah.
like this video. Bless up.
Let's go.